You have the skills, so why does your income feel stuck? Are you burning hours every time on estimates and negotiations, exhausted? If there were a way to do the same work and fundamentally change your income structure, would you want to know? The answer is simple. Turn your service into a product. Stop custom work. Standardize. Why does it work? This slide explains everything. Here's the traditional service model. A client inquiry comes in. You conduct a discovery call. You build a proposal. You negotiate. Finally, the work begins. How many hours are you spending on that process? Here's the productized model. Pricing rules are crystal clear. Deliverables are defined. Clients can make decisions fast. You're already moving on to the next project. The digital services and gig economy market continues to grow at over 16% annually. This market expansion has been fueled by the efficiency gains that come from standardization and packaging. This isn't a hypothesis. It's a fact demonstrated by countless real-world cases. And this is achievable. Today, list out all your services. Pick your bestseller, one service, and define the deliverables, timeline, and price. This is how your income structure changes. Today, let me show you the blueprint. First, let's define exactly what productization means. What is productization? It's the transformation of a custom service into a product, standardized, packaged, and governed by clear pricing rules. There are three core elements. First, standardization. Stop delivering differently every single time. Build a state where the same process, same framework, and same quality can be delivered repeatedly. Second, packaging. Define exactly what you deliver, in what time frame, and what the deliverable is. Zero ambiguity. Clients understand everything before they buy. Third, pricing rules. Fixed price, tiered pricing, or a monthly subscription model. The format doesn't matter. What matters is eliminating the how much for your situation negotiation every single time. Create a state where clients can make fast decisions. Only when all three come together does your service become a scalable product. Before that, you're just someone selling your time. Now let's break down the traditional model versus the productized model. The traditional hourly model. You're billing $100 an hour. 8 hours a day, $800. 20 working days a month, $16,000. That is your hard ceiling. No matter how much your skills improve, the wall of time stands in your way. There's another problem. Every time you build a proposal, you negotiate with the client, scope creep sets in mid-project. Can you just add this one thing? Begins. Your profits shrink. Your hours grow. What about the productized model? Your service can be explained on one page. The price is $5,000. Deliverables are clear. Clients can make buying decisions fast. Sales cycle time drops dramatically. Here's the critical difference. In the traditional model, while you're working on one project, the next one is sitting in a queue. In the productized model, multiple projects can run simultaneously. You reduce income's dependence on time and build a structure that scales through volume and operations. This is the mechanism by which the same skills produce a fundamentally different income structure. Let's walk through the 5 advantages of productization, one by one. Advantage 1. Price transparency. The ambiguity of how much for my situation disappears. Clients know everything before they buy. No pricing complaints. No after-the-fact negotiations. Friction in the purchase decision drops significantly. Advantage 2. Ease of selling. Your product's key points are fully contained on a landing page. FAQs, deliverable samples, and case studies supplement in separate sections. For low to mid price points, the page sells for you 24 hours a day. For high-ticket B2B deals, adding a short pre-qualification call pushes close rates even higher. Advantage 3. Scaling. You can push the ceiling on how many projects you deliver. However, quality control and hiring and training talent become the bottleneck. Operational design is the key to scaling. Advantage 4. Predictable revenue. Design it with fixed pricing or a monthly subscription model, and your monthly revenue stabilizes. You can actually build a business plan. Advantage 5. Automation through AI and outsourcing. This is the most overlooked point. If the process is standardized, someone other than you can execute it. And since 2024, generative AI can automate parts of the workflow. Separating what AI handles from what humans must review and standardizing both is what determines success or failure. When all 5 come together, you are no longer a service provider. You're a business owner. Let's think in concrete numbers. First, pricing. Most people price based on cost plus profit. That's wrong. The right approach is value-based pricing. This principle, widely practiced in the consulting industry, is simple. Set your price at 10% to 20% of the ROI your client receives. However, that ratio shifts based on industry, competition, and the client's willingness to pay. Cross-reference the value your client gains, the cost of alternatives, and industry benchmarks, then set the price. Next, design your scaling structure. Let's say you're handling $5,000 projects yourself. If 3 projects a month is your limit, that's $15,000 per month. Now combine outsourcing with AI. Because the process is standardized, outsourcing works. Generative AI handles parts of the repetitive workflow. Your capacity can multiply several times over, depending on process maturity and your operational structure. The critical part is that your time gets freed up. You can build your next product. You can open new markets. You can design multiple income streams. This is what happens when productization, outsourcing, and AI come together. Your income is progressively decoupled from your time. Now, let's walk through the implementation steps you can start today. Step 1. Choose the one service you sell the most. What service have you delivered most frequently in the past year? Identify it. Don't try to productize everything at once. Start with one. Step 2. Fully document the deliverables. What exactly do you deliver? How long does it take to complete? How many rounds of revisions are included? What's in scope and what's not? This document becomes the blueprint for your product. Step 3. Design the price. Use value-based pricing to calculate it, then lock in a clear number that isn't up for negotiation. Fixed price or monthly subscription? If you want to build a recurring revenue base, consider going subscription. Step 4. Build your marketing. Your landing page should contain all the key points in one place. FAQs, deliverable samples, and case studies supplement in separate sections. Who it's for, what you get, what it costs, and what result you can expect. These 4 are the core. Step 5. Build your outsourcing process. Write out every step of the process you currently execute. Could someone else read this and deliver the same quality? Go further. Standardize access controls, client data handling, confidentiality, and quality check protocols. Clearly separating what AI handles from what humans must review protects quality as you scale. With these 5 steps, your service becomes a product. Now let's consolidate the key points from today. Here's today's summary. First, productization is a structural transformation. It only works when all 3 elements are in place: standardization, packaging, and pricing rules. Fixed price, tiered pricing, subscription. The format doesn't matter. What matters is eliminating custom negotiation and building a process you can execute repeatedly. This is how you push through the ceiling of time. Second, design your pricing using value-based pricing. Start with 10% to 20% of the ROI your client receives, then cross-reference against their willingness to pay and industry benchmarks. The moment you abandon cost-plus thinking, your revenue structure changes. Third, the combination of outsourcing and AI is the key to scaling. Systematize your process into documented procedures and standardize access controls and data handling too. Design it so AI automates what it can and humans review what they must, and you can multiply your capacity several times over without spending your own time. What service do you believe you could productize right now? And what's the single biggest barrier standing in the way? Share your strategy in the comments. Your service overview, pricing challenges, questions about outsourcing or AI, all of it becomes knowledge for this community. Every insight here builds something bigger. Thanks for investing your time with me today. This channel breaks down everything from service business productization to wealth management and the blueprint to financial freedom with numbers and strategy concretely. If you want to turn "I want to be wealthy someday" into "I will hit $X by 2030, subscribe right now. Turn on notifications so you never miss the next blueprint. See you in the next one.